It's very hard to give the main message of the book of Job because it has multiple messages that matter to us. But if I had to pick just one message, what I would say is this. In this story, we see a man so horribly afflicted that it's hard to know which of us will suffer in his life worse than Job suffered. Not too many people. So it is possible to suffer in human ways dreadfully, and nonetheless, in the face of the presence of God, lose all desire to complain and be moved just by love of God and love of the connection to God. And if it is the case that in the presence of God, all the suffering will seem like a small thing by comparison with the love of God, if it seems so to Job in his suffering, then it can seem so to any other human being too. So if I had to pick just one message from the book of Job, that's what I would pick.